Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back another helpful video. One question always comes in mind. Can we cancel our Rupa Health service? Answer is yes. You can cancel your Rupa Health order by sending an email to their service team at support@rupahealth.com. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Rupa Health service via email and online in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Method 1. How to cancel Rupa Health over the email? Send an email to the Rupa Health service team at support@rupahealth.com and submit your cancellation request. Make sure that you include your test kit name in the email. Rupa accept your cancellation request and then go to check for your refund eligibility. If you are eligible for a refund, they will ask you to send an image of the test kit with shredded requisition. Send a photo of your test kit to their team. When they receive the photo, they will initiate your refund process. Last question. How to get a Rupa Health refund? Rupa Refund Policy. When your order return request is accepted, they will check for the refund eligibility. If you are eligible, then they will process your refund soon. All cancellation requests must be made within 365 days of making the payment to be eligible for a refund. No refunds will be given once test samples have arrived at the lab. The processing, shipping, and ordering fee is not refunded. For our payment, you need to request a refund within 180 days of the payment. Some tests are non-refundable, while on some tests you will be charged a service fee. By using this method you can cancel your Rupa Health. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.